4-roll plate rolling machine, operation tutorial. Startup preparation. Open the electrical cabinet. Turn on the main power supply. Open the hydraulic oil tank cap. Fill with ISO VG46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. Turn on the control system. Start the hydraulic pump. Manual mode operation. Switch to manual mode. Tap digital display center. Enter the plate thickness. Turn the selector to the left for automatic mode. Set the selector to the middle for manual mode. Turn the selector to the right for cone rolling mode. This button controls the downward and upward movement of the lower roller. This button controls the downward and upward movement of the left side roller. This button controls the downward and upward movement of the right side roller. This button controls the rotation of the upper roller. Lower the lower roller to its lowest position. The unloading device can only be opened in this position. Set the plate thickness before rolling. Insert the plate. Raise the lower roller. Clamp the plate. Then lower the right side roller. Rotate the upper roller. Adjust the rollers until the plate is properly clamped. When the plate moves to the left side, raise the left side roller. Check the position value. Then rotate the upper roller to the right. Then lower the left side roller. Raise the right side roller. Then continue rotating the upper roller to the right. If the rolling effect is unsatisfactory, adjust the lifting height of the left and right rollers and re-roll into a circular shape. After rolling is complete, prepare to unload the plate. First, lower the right side roller. Then lower the lower roller to its lowest position. Open the unloading device. Remove the plate. Automatic mode programming. Enter the menu. Tap coiling circle. Set the left side roller height. Enter the left side roller position value obtained from the previous rolling operation. Set the right side roller height. Enter the right side roller position value obtained from the previous rolling operation. Enter the plate length. Enter the rolling position value of the right side roller. Enter the reverse rolling length. Set the reverse rolling length to the plate length minus 150 mm. Then select automatic mode. Start automatic mode. Insert the plate. the plate will be rolled automatically. Remove the plate. Roller position calibration. If the diameters at both ends are inconsistent, calibrate the rollers as follows. Lower all rollers to their lowest positions. Then reset the position values to 0. Press and hold the left and right position values to reset them to 0. Then set the plate thickness to a negative value. Raise the lower roller to the clamping position. Adjust the lower roller left and right until both sides are evenly clamped. Then tap Menu. Tap System Parameters. Tap Parameter 2. Enter BT as the username. Enter 1111 as the password. Enter Parameter 2. Tap Lower Roller Compensation. Lower roller compensation is complete. Lower the lower roller to prepare for side roller compensation. The left and right side rollers are calibrated in the same way as the lower roller. Raise the left side roller until the plate is clamped against the upper roller. Then adjust it left and right. Make sure both sides of the plate are evenly clamped. Then tap left roller compensation. Left side roller compensation is complete. Cone rolling mode operation. First, set the plate thickness. For example, for a 4 mm plate, set the thickness parameter to 5 mm. Select cone rolling mode. Then tilt the left and right side rollers. The maximum tilt value is 30 mm. Insert the plate. Clamp the plate between the lower and upper rollers. Then start the cone rolling process. Open the unloading device. Remove the panel. Shut down. First, turn off the oil pump. Then turn off the control system.
HARSLE. Save time, money.